Is your garbage disposal clogged? Here's how to fix it safely and easily. First, turn off the power. Unplug the disposal or turn off the power at the circuit breaker to ensure safety. Second, check for obstructions. Use a flashlight to look inside the disposal. Remove any visible blockages with tongs or pliers, never with your hands. Third, manually rotate the blades. Insert an Allen wrench into the bottom of the disposal and manually turn it to free up any jams. Fourth, use baking soda and vinegar. Pour half a cup of baking soda followed by half a cup of vinegar into the disposal. Let it fizz for a few minutes, then flush with hot water. Fifth, reset the disposal. Press the reset button on the bottom of the disposal unit if it's tripped. If these steps don't work, it's time to call in the experts. Contact Zapfixers for professional garbage disposal repair in Miami.